everybody, my name is Durr-e-Zahra. I'm class MB student and I'm 6 years old.
Hello everybody, my name is Manahil. I am 4 years old and I'm in KG3.
Today my sister is going to tell a story consist of 3-letter words. And what is the story name, Manahil?
Cat on the Map. This is the cat. The cat is fat. He sat on the mat. He wore a hat. This is the rat. The rat saw the fat cat on the mat. Rat said the rat, "I better scat." But before he did, he took the hat from the cat on the mat. What do you think of that?
Thank you very much for watching our video, everyone. Bye.